My brother, my shield. Welcome back. I hope you all are doing great. Today I have something very special for you. My name is Mark. I have an older brother. His name is Jasim. This is a story about him. It is a sad and strong story. My brother Jasim was my hero. He was tall and strong. He was also very smart. I wanted to be just like him. He was my protector and my teacher. He looked after me. He taught me how to ride a bike. He helped me with my schoolwork. We played games together in our small yard. He always let me win sometimes. He had a kind and generous heart. Yasim had a good life. He had a good job at a big office. He had many friends. Everyone liked him very much. He was very confident. He knew who he was. He had many plans for his future. His life was a straight, bright road. I was his little brother. I was so proud of him. I thought my brother could do anything. He was like a superhero to me. Then one day, everything changed. We got a phone call. It was from the hospital. There was an accident, a car accident. We ran to the hospital. We were so scared. We saw Yasim in a white bed. His eyes were closed. He was very still. The doctor came to talk to us. He said Yasim was okay. His body was strong. But there was a big problem. The doctor said the accident hurt his head. When he wakes up, he will not remember anything. His memory is gone. We did not understand. No memory? How can a person have no memory? Our hero was gone. A stranger was in his place. Yasim came home after 2 weeks. He looked the same. He had the same face and the same hair, but his eyes were different. His eyes were empty and confused. He looked at me, but he did not know me. I was not his little brother Mark anymore. He did not know our parents. He did not know his own room. He was like a visitor in his own house. It was very sad. We tried to help him remember his past. My mother showed him old photos. This is you, Yasim. This is your family. But he just looked at the photos. He felt no connection. The smiling boy in the picture was a stranger to him. It was very hard for all of us. We were all very sad. We missed the old Yasim. We missed his laugh and his confidence. One day I tried to play our favorite old game. It was a simple card game, but he did not know the rules anymore. He got very frustrated and angry. He threw the cards on the table. "I don't know this," he shouted. I saw tears in his eyes. Yasim was very lost. He did not know what he liked. He did not know his favorite food or his favorite color. He would walk around the house and touch things. It was like he was a ghost in his own life. He had no past. Sometimes he was very quiet. He would sit by the window for hours. He was a man without an identity. Our family tried to be patient and kind, but it was difficult. We wanted our old Jasim back, but he was not there. After many sad weeks, we tried something new. We stopped talking about the past. We started to build a new present. I took Yasim for a walk in the park. We did not talk about old memories. We just looked at the trees and the birds. We felt the sun on our faces. We did not remember the past. We just lived in that one moment. It was a small, good step. Then Yasim found a new, simple interest. My mother has some plants in the house. He started to water them every day. He liked working with the green plants. He was very gentle with them. This was the first piece of his new identity. My role in our family changed. I was not the little brother anymore. I was now the guide. I was his helper. I had to teach him simple things, how to use the TV remote, how to make a sandwich. It was a new and strange job for me. One day his old friends came to visit him. They were very happy to see him, but they only talked about the past. They said, "Yasim, do you remember this party? Do you remember that trip?" He did not remember. It made him feel very bad. He felt like a failure. He could not be the old Jasim for them. After they left, he was very quiet and sad again. We learned a lesson that day. We could not force the old memories. We needed to help him make new ones. So we started to do new things. We went to new places. We listened to new music. We were building a new life day by day. Yasim needed a purpose in his life. He could not do his old office job. So he decided to find a new, simple job. He started to work at a local bookstore. The job was easy. He put books on the shelves. He helped customers find books. He liked the quiet bookstore. It was a calm place. The books did not ask him questions about his past. They were just stories. At this new job, he found something he was good at. He was very organized. He could remember where every book was. The owner of the bookstore was very happy with him. This new success gave Jasim a little bit of new confidence. He also made a new friend at work. Her name was Jenny. With Jenny, she worked at the bookstore too. She was quiet and kind. Jenny did not know the old Jasim. She just knew the new Jasim. She liked him for who he was now, not who he was before. This friendship was very important for him. With Jenny, he could just be himself. He did not have to pretend to remember. One evening, my mother found an old journal. It was Yasim's journal from before the accident. It was full of his thoughts. She said, "Yasim, we can read this to you. You can learn about your old self." We all thought this was a good idea, but Yasim thought for a long moment. Then he shook his head. "No," he said softly, "I do not want to read it. That man is a stranger." He said, "I want to be me. I want to build my own life now." This was his choice. Yasim's new life started to take shape. He had his job at the bookstore. He had his plants. He had his new friend, Jenny. He was a different person now. The old Jasim was loud and very confident. The new Jasim was quiet and very thoughtful. He was gentler than before. He listened more. He saw small, beautiful things that the old Jasim never noticed. Sometimes I missed my old brother. I missed the strong hero who knew everything. But I also started to love this new brother. Our relationship was different now. It was not big brother and little brother. We were just two brothers. We were equals. One day, I had a big problem with my schoolwork. I was very stressed. The old Jasim would have just solved it for me. But the new Jasim did something else. He sat with me. He listened to my problem. He said, You are smart, Mark. You can do it. His simple, kind words gave me strength. He was my hero again, but in a new, quieter way. He helped me believe in myself. The accident was a terrible thing. It took away so much from him and from us. But it also gave us something new. It gave Jasim a second chance to build a life. It gave our family a new understanding of love and patience. I did not lose my brother in that car accident. I just found a different one, a new person who I love very much. He is still building his life, one small day at a time. And I am here, right by his side, to help him on his new path. So subscribe, not for us, but for the version of you who refuses to waste this life. We're here with you every single day. And tomorrow, we're coming back with even more.